You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. A Hindu boy's name, generally boy's name. If you want to learn more confusing Indian names that many get wrong and mispronounce often, stay tuned. I've got many more for you coming up at the end of this video. Meaning milk or nectar. Indian pronunciation, Piyush. Piyush. How to pronounce Piyush in English. Similarly, Piyush. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.